Hello everyone, this is DMC1156. It is a 1998 Acura Integra GS-R. This vehicle is being sold on consignment. It is mechanically good to go. Aesthetically, it looks beautiful as well. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. We'd love to answer whatever questions you have, show you whatever you'd like to see. But I'm just gonna take you around and show this thing off to you. You definitely don't see GS-Rs in this condition anymore. Love the seats, super cool. Oh, I popped it. I guess it didn't pop. One key, one fob. I may need to, here we are. Well, I may need to turn it and try to open it with the other hand. Yep, there we go. Sorry about the crazy camera view. Well, at least you get a view of the underside of the spoiler. Does have a kicker 10-inch subwoofer in the back here, has the privacy shield still. There's the amplifier. Looks like we got a spare and a jack down under there. B18C1. Everything looks nice and tidy. It also had a timing belt replaced, so that's good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. If you would like to like this video, we would like that. And then if you would like to subscribe, you'll get notifications for every new car that we list on our website. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.